We're looking at a Hyundai Veloster that happens to have a manual transmission. Customer dropped the car off, actually had to have it towed in because just all of a sudden he put it in gear and it wouldn't go anywhere. Wasn't quite sure what had happened. We brought the vehicle in, lifted it up, and if you've ever had a clutch fail, you know there's a distinct smell that it has when the clutch does fail. Moving the vehicle around, we could kind of get a hint of that odor. We got the vehicle up in the air and did confirm that the clutch had failed. This one is actually a pretty bad failure. You can see from all the material inside the bell housing as well as the clutch disc itself, there's no material left where the clutch discs are. Informed the customer what had happened, let him know what the repair was going to take. He said go ahead and get it done. It's a little bit of an extended job. You know, you have to remove the transmission, the flywheel, everything needs to come off and be replaced to make sure that the new clutch has a good surface to mate to. Put it back together, took it for a test drive. Everything is working as it should. So if you have a manual transmission and your clutch seems like it's acting up, or maybe it's starting to slip a little bit, or you're just not sure if it's working the way it should, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to take it for a test drive or inspect it for you at no charge and let you know the condition of your vehicle. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share the video so everyone can be informed.